I've always had this fascination with curved wood. And there's different ways you can make a ring of wood like this. You know, there's jigsaws, there's CNC equipment, there's boring it out. Or, like I did, you can put a bunch of planks together. Only it turns out you can't just take wood and chop it into these 3-inch lengths and glue them together. There's math. There's almost always math involved in these things. You see, a circle has 360 degrees. And I was thinking, yeah, but you know, a square also has 360 degrees. It has 360 degrees because it has these 4 90-degree angles. Now, granted, it's not a circle because those 90 degrees are all bunched up in those different points on the square. And when I make a square frame, what I do is I cut 45-degree angles because each side sort of shares that 90 degrees. So I end up having 45 plus 45 equals 90. And then you do that 4 times and you get, again, those 360 degrees. So I started thinking, well, I could break that into like an octagon. And then 45 divided by 2, that's 22 and a half. Oh, crap, we're getting into fractions. So I started thinking, what divides nicely into 360? And it turns out that 18 is a good number for that. 18 lets you do 10-degree angles, which are shared around those 18 boards. So you get 36 at 10 degrees each. And then you get something not exactly a circle. You get something that's called, let me see if I can do this, an octadecagon, which looks kind of like a circle.